In today's video, I'll show you how you can see deleted messages on Snapchat. So let's get started. So once you're here in Snapchat, is that you want to navigate into your profile by tapping on the profile icon right here on the top left. So tap on it. Once you're here, is that you want to tap on the settings icon here on the top right, and then scroll all the way down until you see the My Data option, which is right here. You want to tap on it. And basically, we'll be downloading our data here in Snapchat that also contains the messages or chats or history right there that we have here on our account. So in here, you would be able to see that the data available for download in here. So you could now select the data to include. So what you want to do in here is that you want to make sure that you include chat history, which is this one. Make sure you include that, and then some other data right here that you might be interested in. So you would want to also want to check those off. But you want to make sure that the chat history is absolutely checked because we want to see deleted messages. Next, you want to tap here on Next button on the bottom right. Now in here, you would want to select the time range in here where you'd want to get those data in. Let's say that your deleted chat that you'd want to see was in last year. So you can just tap here on last year or last month maybe, or maybe last week. It's very important that you go for as small as you can. Like for example, you are pretty sure that it's just a last week on the message that you'd want to recover. So you want to select last week because if you go for last month, there would be a ton of messages that would also be downloaded. And that way it would be harder for you to find the messages that you are interested in. However, if you really want to get all the messages, then you can go for last year or last month or maybe all time if you'd want to. And then after that is that you want to go here in to confirm your email. So you just simply want to provide your email. Once you have provided your email, is that you want to now click or tap here on submit on the bottom right. And now from here, data available for download. As you can see here, your export data created in this time, it says in progress. So basically is that once it's done processing your request, is that you should now see a download button in here. So you just have to go back in here. And as you can see right here, it says your snapshot data is on the way. So you just need to wait for that to process. And then once it's done, you just simply want to go back in here into my data. And then now in here is that you should see under your export, you should see the download button in here. So just simply come back and then you should see it available for download. Once it's downloaded, open that file and then boom, you'll now be able to see all of your chat history. And that's it. That's how you can see deleted messages on Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.